Hello everyone, I'm Inka Obaseki. I'm a professional stock trader. So I'm going to be sharing with you one of the stock that I bought previously, and I want to show you the technicals. I want to show you the fundamental. I want to show you what this company is really doing. Now, one thing I love about this company has really been releasing good results. If I tell you about good results, so let me show you what it means to have a good result. So if you look at the earnings year, when this company released their results, the results came out more than expectation. So if you look at it, the estimate was 0.18. When they released the results, it was 0.35. And also for the revenue, came out more than expectation. That was for September 2022. If you look at December 2022, it also came out 3 months after then. You notice that, this company is really doing well. If you look at this result, came out more than expectation. There was estimates, the people were expecting for this company to do 0.14 in terms of earnings. This company came out with their results, surprising everyone. The result came out as 0.57, more than expectation. That's huge. So people saw it. And if you look at another 3 months, which is around the which is March 2023 this year, results, when they released this result came out more than expectation. Expectation was 0.87 and the result came out 0.66. So that's a good result. So that's what investors they look out for. They look out for the earnings and also the revenue. And the main thing is the surprise. It's not, we are not, even though this company is really doing more than us, more, making more, growing. The main thing is they need to surprise us. And once they surprise us, we're buying into the stock. And let's see how it plays out. So when they release the results, you notice there was a boom. People bought in this stock very fast. And before you know, this stock started going down. So what happened? So now you need to ask yourself this. This company released result that is more than expectation. It was surprise. It was meeting, it was more than beyond investors' expectation. And before you know, the market start selling. People start selling the stock. And the main thing is maybe because there's something that people still don't understand. Now, for me, yeah, good results, fundamentally, everything is all right in terms of fundamental. They have a good numbers. But what I need to look out for is their technical. So you can't say, I'm a fundamental trader. I don't look at chart. I just look at news, man. You're going to lose. So the main thing is you need to marry those things together. Your fundamental analysis just to be top notch and also your technical analysis. So the main thing about technical analysis is two things. The first thing is to enter. You want to know where a specific place that you want to place your entry point. And the next thing you need to know about technical is which area that, okay, that if I put my stop here or my stop loss here, the market is going to struggle. It's just like the market will sweat to get to that point. So that's why you need technical. So let me show you how this thing plays out, and I'm going to show you exactly the place I enter this trade. Good, good, good. Okay, still waiting. That's one thing about trading. You need to wait. So now, if you look at it, I'm trading the daily time frame. I don't do 4 hour, 4 hours. I don't do 1 hour. I, there's something we call top-down analysis. So I look at the monthly chart, I look at the trend, and I go to the weekly, try to check which one is it uptrend or downtrend, and I come to place my trade in daily. That's the secret. See, if you really want to make money in this game, you need to think long term, long term, long term. So you can't go to lower time frame. And one thing about lower time frame, you'll be trading more and you'll be losing more. So one thing about this trading is this. Less is more. There's a word called less. Less is more in trading. The lesser you trade, the more money you make. So let's go on. So I'm still waiting. Okay, good. Now this is where I want this trade to pull back to 50 EMA. And now is around that zone. Currently, I will not enter this trade. There's something I need to see because I need a proper shakeout. So once I see a shakeout, I will enter. So let's say it plays out. Good. I've gotten my shakeout. So, and the next thing is I need it to close above the 50-day. So once it closes above the 50-day EMA, the next thing is to enter the trade. So let's say I'm still going to wait for a pullback. Good. Now, the next thing is I can enter now. So I bought this stock. I bought 136 shares of this company. So I bought it here. And this is my entry point. This is my stop loss. And let's say I plays out. Nice. Let's say good. The next day plays out very well. I'm in profit. I'm doing well. I'm so happy. Next thing is, let's see what happened. Yeah, I'm in negative. Negative. Wow. Positive, negative, negative. Now, can you see when the market opened, the market came out here, came closer to my entry point. So I said something earlier. I said, you need to put stop to where the market sweats. The market will work hard to take your stop. And one thing is, can you see the distance? A lot of, sometimes when I see people say, man, how long? You can't trade like this, month, daily chart, and see where you stop. This, how will you make money? Is too big. And that's the secret. When you play trade, it will go in your favor. It's come out to entry point, go in. But the main thing is you need to put your stop to where the market will sweat. The market will find it very difficult to pick. That's the secret. That's the secret. You need to put it there. So currently, the market went closer to my entry, but it didn't touch it. And I'm in a good ride. I'm not, even though it touched, it doesn't really make, because I have my good risk, the percentage of, because currently I risk 1% of my capital. So that's just the idea, 1%. So even though it's me, it doesn't make sense. I check another trade. That is the secret of successful trader. They don't mind. They are carefree. Carefree, straight of mind. They just trade and anything that happens, no problem. Since I can manage my emotion and also have my risk intact. So let's go on. You can see, came out, good. Still there. I'm still waiting, no problem. Yeah, broke out. So can you see there's a breakout now? Now, for some people, this is where they want to enter. They want to enter when it breaks out. For me, I like it to enter cheap. I like cheap things. Sometimes we always like cheap things, to buy cheap. So for me, I've already entered. I'm in good ride. I'm in profit already, but it's not much. I'm in profit, and there's a breakout. Good. Breakout from base. I love it. Sometimes people ask me, what is base? Base. This is it. Breaks out from base. And once it breaks out, what happens? Let's see. Maybe it will ride up or it will come back. Oh, sometimes. Now, can you see? Can you see breaking again? So for those people who entered the they would have, they would have been, maybe sometimes some of them I put a stop here, put an entry. This trade would have taken them out. But for me, I'm still in this trade. But the next thing I would do, once it breaks out of this base, the best thing is I will just take my stop and put it into my entry. So I'm in zero risk. I'm in zero risk. So it doesn't really matter. I'm in zero risk. I'm free now. I'm free of worries. Even though I'm not, no problem. But currently, I am free. Now look at it. A lot of people enter there. I don't like to enter breaker from base, but me, I like to enter inside the base. That's the secret. We call it pocket buying. Pocket buying. So, so, so I've already entered it, and let's see how it plays out. Still waiting. Good, 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 good. Wow, breaks out. Now, currently, this is the level of the market, and we are in profit. But for me, I'm not seeing this profit. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing my stop moving to my entry point, because one thing about trader is when they see profit, they start counting it. They start count. No, I can't. I won't count until I take. I just take this money out of the table. But currently, this money is on the table. I'm still leaving it. And the good thing is, I'm still going to leave this trade for long. For long. I might leave it for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. There's a criteria. There's something I need to see before I opt out. But currently, I'm currently in this trade. I'm still going to hold it for months, for 6 months. And the beautiful thing is, this company can give me a lot of money. So I just need to wait patiently. The game is pretty patient. You might not need, like me, I have like 4 or 5 trades in a month. I hold it for a long time. That's the secret. You're not on the laptop every time you're on chat, lower time frame guys. I'm sorry, that's your style. For me, I have to just, sometimes once in a week, just maybe in a day, just check the chart, please, my trade, go do because currently I'm I'm doing my master's in the UK. I'm studying MS in global financial trading. Now, despite that I know about trading, but it doesn't really matter. I just feel like let me just have certification. It doesn't matter. I'm not using it for anything. Currently doing my MS in global financial trading in one of the best universities in UK. It doesn't really matter. I'm still enjoying my life. I'm trading, enjoying it. So I'm going to be showing you how it plays out, and just watch out for it. God bless you guys. I love you all. Wow. Mhm.